The last warehouse sale at WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet in downtown Chipley, Florida, went so well that the manager said, "Let's do it again." So WestPoint Home is now offering even bigger discounts on even more name brand items. Sheets, towels, pillows, and household accessories with 50% off everything in the store and 60% off all clearance items. But these huge discounts on our best values will last for only 5 days, from Thursday, October 2nd through Monday, October 6th, 2025. Get name brand designs at a fraction of the cost at the big box stores, with brand names including Southern Tide, Izod, Martex, Volux, and more. From blankets and throws to plush comforters, from bath towels and memory foam pillows to flannel sheets, shower curtains, comforters, more at low prices. Now is one of your best opportunities to give your home a fall makeover without breaking the bank. With 50% off everything in the store and 60% off all clearance items. It's the WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet Fall Warehouse Sale, Thursday, October 2nd through Monday, October 6th, 2025. 1414 Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120. And let the fall savings begin.